morning. This is the Battle of the Baker, challenge number 6, the final. Welcome everyone. This time we are on the Marina Vilamora on Nougatin's deck. As you can see, we've got audience and the public. So welcome to everyone. How are you doing, Linda?
Fine, thank you. I'll feel a lot happier later on, I think.
Tell me about it. And Diana, how are you doing?
I'm a little nervous. Yeah.
So welcome again, and we're going to speak to the chef, Sébastien Savot. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Oh, well done, well done. Donc aujourd'hui, c'est quoi le challenge?
Alors le challenge, ça va être de faire 2 wedding cakes factices, c'est-à-dire que c'est des disques en polystyrène qui vont être recouverts d'une pâte blanche sur lequel on va disposer, elles vont fabriquer en fait des tartelettes, 4 sortes de tartelettes, 25 tartelettes, donc en tout 100 tartelettes à faire, citron, praliné, chocolat et vanille framboise.
So we've got the factice wedding cake on 3 different levels. They're gonna have the icing, the paste, the ice sugar to decorate, and they will have 100 tartlets to decorate and fill with different garnish, different flavor, 4 flavor in total. What are the flavors? Chocolate, praline, citron, lemon, and vanilla and raspberry. Good luck, and let's start the challenge 6, final of the Battle of the Baker. Hi Linda.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm all right, thank you.
So how is the feeling to be on the final of the Battle of the Baker today?
It's quite exciting. Now I do want to win, so...
Now you do want to win.
Yes.
And what did you say to me just earlier? You say, wow, having the public, having the audience.
Yeah, having everybody watching is quite nerve-wracking actually. I'm had to try and switch off to it.
Well, you do quite well.
It's good that there's a few friendly faces in the front row, so that's nice.
Well, you look quite relaxed, with smile as
Yes.
always. So, yeah, wow, good catch. So, hey! Keep smiling and good luck. All the
Okay,
best.
then, thank you.
Hi Diana, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you a bit nervous?
A little bit, yeah. I have no idea how much time I have left, so...
You've got a bit, just a touch more than 2 hours, so you've got
Oh,
half
okay.
time.
Okay.
So now you're feeling better?
A little bit, yeah.
Okay, so how is the feeling to be on the final?
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad I made it here.
So you've got your family?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is it good to have a bit of support, moral support? It's not too stressful?
I know I have support even if they're not here, so... Yeah, it's not...
Oh, I'm melting. All the best. Good luck. Thank you. Sébastien, comment te sens-tu? Quelle est ton impression sur la finale?
Une très bonne impression, c'est vrai que c'est assez serré parce qu'ils sont quasiment au même niveau des crèmes pâtissières, des crèmes citron, etc. Donc je crois qu'il leur reste une crème à toutes les deux à faire et après ils vont attaquer le wedding cake.
Okay, so the level is nearly the same. They are doing all participants. The 2 finalists have the cream. There is only one missing. They've done 3 creams on the 4, and obviously we will see what the decoration of the wedding cake, because that will be a big part, obviously, of the competition. are you doing, Angela?
Fine, fantastic. Loved watching this. Everything is going fantastic. They're doing well, and everything's going good. And I'm glad that I'm on this side of the table.
Yeah, me too. Especially right now. It's quite nice to be here.
Isn't it?
It's quite
Very
nice.
relaxed.
Yeah, very relaxed. How was the experience of being with us?
Fantastic, fantastic. I really enjoyed myself. It was lovely meeting everyone, meeting you. So I thank Kiss FM, I thank Martine, I thank the chef, I thank Philippe. I thank everyone. It was a very wonderful experience.
Hi, Rachel.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, you're
Being
fine.
on this side is better than being on that one.
Yeah, tell me about it. Tell me about it. So, what do you think about the competition, the final?
Yeah, great bakers, obviously. It's going to be a tough call, but I'm excited to see them create their masterpieces.
How was the experience of the Battle of the Baker?
Oh, amazing. I could never have this experience anywhere else. It's such good facilities and great people, and I'm just really fortunate. So lovely.
End of the challenge number 6, the final of the Battle of the Baker. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you to the audience. Here are the creations from the finalists and their assistants. So Diana and Sylvie and Sarah and Linda. So congratulations. First impression, chef, what do you think?
Très belle impression, très beau travail, très belle réalisation de part et d'autre. Ils ont été un petit peu pris par le temps à la fin, donc les tartelettes ne sont pas décorées comme j'aurais imaginé. Mais c'est très présentable, donc c'était du bon travail.
Du bon travail. Okay, cool. Well, globally, it looks nice. The creation looks amazing. Yes, you've been a bit at the end. You started slowly, and by the end, you were a bit rushed. Yes, Linda. So yeah, the creation of the decoration of the tartlet, the chef said could have been a bit different, but congratulations for the end product. Well done, girls. This is the time for us to try and taste the tartlet.
Yes.
Okay. What's the feedback from the lemon?
Parfait. La crème très bien, bien citronnée, bonne texture, suffisamment frais, donc très bien.
Perfect. Texture, taste, everything.
Non, c'est pareil, c'est très bien. Bonne fraîcheur. En plus, la petite framboise apporte plus de fraîcheur et ça couvre pas trop le citron, donc c'est très bien aussi.
No, very good. The raspberry bring a bit of freshness. Really nice. Very good lemon curd. Well done.
On a le bon goût de vanille. Par contre, la crème est un petit peu pâteuse. Donc, je pense qu'elle manque de cuisson ou elle a dû être cuite pas comme d'habitude. Donc, un petit peu pâteuse en bouche. Sinon, le goût vanille est bien. Donc,
So the taste is okay of the vanilla, but the cream is maybe the way you cooked it. No, it's very creamy and paste more than so, but still very nice.
C'est serré, hein. Tout à l'heure on était pareil sur la citron et là on est un peu pareil sur la vanille.
Exactement.
Ouais. Donc un petit peu le même défaut sur la crème vanille, un petit peu pâteuse.
It's the same. It's the same. Yeah, it's a bit too creamy. It's like a paste, so it's not as light as usual. But you're on the same level. It's funny. The lemon will and the vanilla too. So.
Plutôt subtil au niveau du dosage praliné. C'est pas très puissant, on le sent quand même. En fait, c'est la noisette sablée dessus qui apporte un peu plus de longueur en bouche. Sinon, la texture est bonne. La crème est bien réussie.
The cream is well done. The texture is nice. Maybe a tiny touch more of praline. It's very. We have a bit more of the nuts in palate than the praline, but the consistency is very good.
Un petit peu moins de légèreté par rapport à l'autre, un petit peu moins aéré, donc peut-être un peu plus travaillé. Par contre, plus de puissance au niveau noisette. Donc je dirais que ça s'équilibre sur les deux, quoi, encore une fois.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same. The texture is a bit different. Maybe it could be a bit lighter, but yeah, we feel a bit more the praline. So it's very you're on the same level more or less. You've done exactly the same thing. So, chef?
Parfait.
Perfect. I think you understood that. Perfect.
Très bien, très bonne texture.
Yeah.
La petite framboise avec l'amertume apporte de l'acidité, donc c'est assez équilibré, c'est bien.
Yeah, the texture is really good, and obviously the raspberry bring a bit of acidity, and it's good balance. Well done.
Très bien. La grosse différence entre les deux, c'est qu'on a un fruit qui apporte de la fraîcheur et là on a plus de texture avec les perles craquantes dessus. Niveau visuel, c'est un peu brouillon parce que ça a été mis un petit peu comme ça, mais sinon niveau texture, c'est bien.
The texture of the ganache is really good. The only difference, obviously, the raspberry brings a bit of acidity, which is not bring by the chocolate decoration, and the decor looks a bit messy. We're going to talk in private and we're going to decide who is the winner of the Battle of the Baker. This is it. We made our mind up with the chef. It was very difficult, I have to say, because you did both great. Chef, a bit of feedback. Well, did we judge the creation on what criteria?
La première chose, c'était la dégustation, bien évidemment, sur les tartelettes. C'est pour ça que dans le thème, j'avais bien mis un wedding cake et les tartelettes pour avoir la dégustation et aussi le visuel. Donc il y avait aussi une bonne note au niveau de l'artistique, définition, et aussi du travail, l'organisation du travail et le rangement, etc.
So as you know by now, because we've done a few episodes already, so it was based on obviously the taste of the tartlet and also the decor, and the theme was a wedding cake, but with tartlets, so obviously everything we judge on the decoration of the cake and the decoration of the tartlet, and obviously how you work, if you were on time, if the station is clean, and so on and so on. We know how chef works now. So chef, we made our mind up, so are you ready to announce the winner? Tu es prêt à annoncer le vainqueur?
Alors le vainqueur après délibération, c'est...
The winner after deliberation is...
C'est Linda.
Linda! Well done, Linda! So Linda, how do you feel? Let's have a drink.
Happy! I think it was great fun, and I think I speak for all of the contestants to say that we've all had really good fun doing it. We've all learnt lots of new things and made things that we haven't made before.
I would like obviously to welcome and to say thank you to our sponsor, mainly Nougatine, obviously, because thank you to Nougatine team to allow us to do that with them. Thank you, Anthony. Thank you, Sébastien. Thank you, Virginie. Thank you, Richard. I would like to welcome, to thank you also all the sponsors, so Valrhona, Monsieur Mignon, thank you very much, Yo Digital, le Journal du Pâtissier, and Silicomart. So thank you everyone, thank you all the sponsors, and thank you to everyone that assist us and support us. Thank you.